I want to talk about 7 really important functions that I call the parent functions. I've got them graphed here. The first one, f of x equals x. This is the identity function. This is sort of the parent of all linear functions. And the second, the absolute value function, f of x equals absolute value x. The third, f of x equals x squared, the squaring function. Its graph is a parabola, and this is the parent of all the quadratic functions. F of x equals x cubed, the cubing function. Number 5, the square root function, f of x equals square root x. A typical exponential function, f of x equals 2 to the x. Notice the difference between 2 to the x and x squared. Very different shapes, different classes of function. And f of x equals 1 over x, the reciprocal function. These are the parent functions. And as we learn how to graph functions and their transformations, we'll use these as our sort of chief guinea pigs. We'll be transforming these and creating new functions out of them. And that's why we call them the parent functions. But it's important for you to know these functions. You've probably learned about most of them already, if not all of them. And just to remember their graphs and know them on sight. And also to know key points that the graphs have, key points that are in the graph of the function. That's it. Those are the 7 functions. And we'll occasionally add to this list as the course goes on.